In-Vitro Diagnostics instruments use assays and reagents to diagnose medical conditions. Diener Precision Pumps are the ideal choice for fluid management within these instruments. Our gear pumps are typically used in bulk transfer and waste fluid removal positions. Our metering pumps are typically used to move and dose reagents, buffers, and solvents. The inert materials of construction are alumina-ceramic and ETFE. The pump displacement is adjustable in the range of 0 to 500 microliters per stroke. The pumps are fitted with an optical sensor that defines the home position. The specially balanced driving elbow ensures smooth, quiet operation throughout the entire speed range. Double-ended metering pumps allow pre-configured dosing where precise mix ratios are required. Each can be independently adjusted. All DPP pump solutions are tailored to your OEM requirements and are 100% tested and calibrated. Our world-renowned Swiss quality ensures long life reliability and enhances your instrument competitiveness.